Have you ever wondered who guides an aircraft safely to the gate when the pilot can't see the ground clearly? This video explains plane marshalling, a critical airport operation where trained ground crew guide aircraft using international hand signals. From limited cockpit visibility to night operations with illuminated batons, plane marshalers act as the pilot's eyes on the ground. Plane marshalling plays a vital role in airport safety, preventing collisions and ensuring smooth ground operations at airports worldwide. A single mistake on the ground can damage an aircraft worth millions, and from the cockpit, the pilot can't see everything. As the aircraft slowly moves toward the gate, visibility becomes limited. The nose blocks the ground view. The wings stretch wider than the pilot can judge. That's when plane marshalling takes control. Standing just meters away from the moving aircraft is a trained marshaler. Every hand signal is precise. Every movement is intentional. There is no room for confusion. These signals are not random. They are international commands understood by pilots across the world.